Boy, talk about cutting it close. Look at this. I'm at 99%. It says I have 1 minute left. We're almost done. Hopefully it hurries up and finishes before it pulls it through the runout sensor. Otherwise I'm going to have to shove this other piece of filament in here. But if it finishes, so I'll take this piece here and I'll just stick it in there. But we'll just run that one into it so that it can finish doing its print. It's got to be almost done, as it said 1 minute for a lot longer than 1 minute. But if it makes one stupid jerky move, it'll probably pull the whole thing out. Let's see. Come on. Hurry the hell up. Look at that. My God. How crazy is that? Like, literally we had that much left. Let's go ahead and pull this out. That was all that was left, guys. We got it done. Nice.